Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you my way how I use touch markers to my drawings. So please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you will notify to our latest video. And if you have any suggestion for our next video, please comment down below. So let's begin! First thing that I do is trace my drawing using this fine liner pen from Uniball. And I use sticker tip pen like 0.5 mm to 0.7 mm for the large portion of my drawing. And for the smaller details like the eyes, nose, and lips, I use 0.05 mm tip pen for the better result. Next, when the ink dries, let's erase the pencil so that our drawing will look clean and clear. Now our drawing is ready for the coloring. Make sure you try first your chosen marker before applying it to your drawing, because it will be difficult if you mistakenly apply the wrong color directly to your drawing. For the coloring, I usually start with the lighter color up to dark color. Now let's apply the base color of the skin. I usually start with the light color and apply it gently with small pressure. Don't press the marker too hard because it will turn out dark and differently. Next, let's apply the second and third layer of colors, and again with small pressure, and start with the light to dark colors. Let's continue coloring and apply all the methods that I told you recently. And one more tip guys, don't store your markers like this. Instead, store it like this. Because this marker has two tips, and when you store it like this, ink will go down and the other tip will turns dry. While when you store it like this, the ink will be balanced and equally distributed to both tips. If you want to watch my tutorial video how I made this marker organizer, the link will pop up at the top of your screen. Now we are almost done coloring our drawings, and as you can see, it turns out nice. Even I used cheap markers. For me, I really love the result and 100% recommended. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!